Hello guys, how you guys doing? Welcome to my video. If you guys want to learn more how to use Clickfunnels, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button because I'm going to share more video with you guys, okay? And today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can put your YouTube video on Clickfunnels account on your funnel, okay? Let's jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is upload your video on YouTube. So let's just say this is the video you want to put on your ClickFunnels account. So what you're going to do, you're going to open your video. Okay, let's put it on pause. You click on share. You see this little icon over here. Click it. Make sure to copy all this code. Copy it. Now we're going to go on our funnel. Okay, let's wait for this to upload. I hope it doesn't take long. If it takes long, make sure to, if you want to skip the part, you can do that. Okay, here we go, guys. We're going to put the code over here, but I'm going to show you from the beginning on how to do it. The first step I want you to do is go on rows, add a row. This is very simple, guys. You can click 1, 2, 3, how many you want. Drag and drop, easy. Drag and drop over here. Boom. Building now. Okay. So you're going to click here inside. You're going to click add new element. Go on videos. Okay. Click on videos. This is going to open. Okay. Now you go on settings. Okay, here guys, I see some mistake people doing. They go on YouTube and then paste the link over here. That's not the way how to do it. You're going to go over here. Okay, you copy the link, you paste it in here, and then I'm not going to save it because I have it already. You save it and then make sure to save over here. Yes, save over there. I'm going to delete this part because I have it already done. So let me show you guys how it's going to look. By the way, you can change the size in the settings. You can change everything, so it's easy. Just go on advanced or theme, change it. Let's go on preview because when you save it, it's going to be done and it's going to look like this. It's going to come over here. Okay, guys. Um, if this video was very helpful, please make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, guys, and thank you for watching this video. See you on the next video.